Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. As we end March, we're going to be looking at three more potential altcoins to buy right now on this, bullish type run that we're seeing. So currently the market is down about 1%, but that's not really what we're seeing overall. We're actually seeing a lot of green. So actually, if we take a look down here, Bitcoin is flat. Ethereum is up about 0.5%. Volume is staying up there, so volume is pretty high at 32.9 billion on Bitcoin, 19.5 billion on Ethereum. So volume is staying steady. Bitcoin trading at 47,000, so we're stuck around that 47, 48,000 area, which is a huge, area right there. We're waiting for it to break through. If we can break through, we have a chance to get all the way up to about 50. If we can pass the 50 area, that's when things are going to look really, really nice. Now, Ethereum, it already broke through that big resistance at 3,300. So now we're around this 3,400 area, and we continue to move on higher and higher. So 3,700 plus is the next level that we're looking forward to. And obviously, Ethereum is looking very nice here as it continues to, move on higher and higher. Altcoins, they're all over the place. Some of them are trading flat. Some of them are down 1% or so. Some are even up 1% or 2%, like Luna and Solana right here, up about 1 or 2%. We have the meme coins, Doge and Shiba Inu. One is up 1%, one is down 1%. So things are everywhere. And then we have some big winners here, like Near Protocol, up about 10%. We have Waves, which continues to make waves out there, guys. It is up over 17% here. And even an old school coin right here, Ethereum Classic, it is up about 6.88%. So all those people that are mining, Ethereum Classic right now, they're definitely profiting. I know some people personally in my life that are mining some Ethereum, and it's pretty much made 100% gain in the past few weeks, and they're making a lot of money right now mining all those coins. So it's very interesting to see how everything is performing. Now, this is the crypto bubble. So before we get into the list, let's take a quick look at this. Things are looking green. In the past 7 days, we're seeing a lot of green bubbles and only a few red here on this list. Some big winners here. Zilliqa is up over 158%. Waves is another one here, 78% or so. Then we have some other little ones, 40, 50, 60%, 70% or so. So things are green, things are red. It's looking very nice right now. Now, guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 30 plus likes on this video. It helps the channel grow, it helps the YouTube algorithm as well. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Waves. So obviously we have to talk about it because it's a momentum play. We talked about this one last week when it was trading at a lot cheaper levels. So if you got in at those levels, you're already making a lot of profit. But if you're still looking at it, there could be a potential, opportunity still on this run up. But obviously this is an in and out play. This is not a long-term hold in my opinion. This is just something that I'm looking at right now, and it could be a potential play. So Waves, just like the meme coins that we see, and just like the meme stocks that we see in the stock market, like GME, Robinhood, AMC, things like that, it's a similar situation. This could be a momentum play right here. So currently it is up about 17%, trading at around $57. In the past week, we're up 78%. So last week, when we talked about this coin, it was trading at $31. From that $31 range, it's up over $25 since then, close to 70, 80% profit for anybody that got in around that range. In the past month, it's up over 233%. And then on the 1 year chart, 358%. So we destroyed the all-time high level that we saw in May 5th, 2021 at $35. We destroyed that, a few days ago, and now we're just continuing to go even higher and higher, breaking new records, which is beautiful to see. So we saw a hit lows down here all the way to $8, and then boom, we saw this pop. So 6.1 billion market cap currently. Volume is up 45% higher than usual at 4.4 billion, all-time high at $59. Waves is a cryptocurrency that describes itself as a decentralized blockchain platform focusing on custom blockchain token operations. Very interesting play right here. And when we see moves like this, it could definitely continue to go. But obviously, at any moment, you should be ready and prepared to, take profits, in my opinion. Because it could start to fall back down very quickly, and those gains are going to be going away very, very fast without you being able to get in and out, or even potentially out. So it's an interesting play right here, and definitely something to take a look at. We're going to keep an eye on this one for the next few days and see what happens with it. Could this one continue to run? Could it pass $70, $80 per coin? Definitely could, possibly, but we're going to watch and see what happens, guys. So that's our first altcoin. Number two, it's going to be Avalanche, AVAX. So AVAX currently down about 1.5% or so, trading at $92.55. In the past week, we're up about 10% here. In the past month, we're up 6%. So we saw it at around $87, pulled back down to these lows here in March at $65 or so, and then we're back now into the 90s, 95 area. In the past year, this one is still up 212%. So last year hit a high at around $38 or so, pulled back down with the market to $10. From that $10 range, we saw highs here at all-time highs in November at 150. So from that 150 level, we went down all the way to $60. So over 50% cut right there. Boom. We just saw it get smashed 60, 70% or so. And then a little bit of recovery now. So we're seeing this resistance. It's going to be a resistance area around this $95 to $100 area. If we can break through that resistance, we continue to push on higher all the way to 120 before we hit that next resistance level. So previous support levels become new resistance levels. That's something that we always talk about on this channel. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. 24.8 billion market cap, so we're still pretty, far away from the all-time high area. Volume is flat at 1.6 billion. We see our typical hold time is going to be around 33 days. It is ranked the number 7 coin, so it's up there in the top 10, which is a beautiful sight to see. 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity currently on Avalanche. Now this one, Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So Avalanche, definitely another coin that we're looking into, especially because it's one of the top competitors. So obviously we have the Ethereum network, we have Solana network. Avalanche is another big one right there. We have it's in the top 5, let's just say, and it's very interesting to see how this one is going to continue to grow in the future. And as you guys can see, it's a healthy coin here. Even with the pullback, it was holding steady, and now we're seeing a slight recovery. I mean, even from those all-time high levels that we were trading at, it's a slight drop, but really that pump here in November was a big pump. If it wasn't for that, we would be probably trading around $100 or so. And then obviously we saw this market pullback. So just imagine what could happen in the next few months if we get another bullish type situation like we had in 2021. So that's our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3, ADA, also known as Cardano. So Cardano is currently down about 1% from 124. Now it's trading at 119. Past week, we're up about 24%, making a comeback. Past month or so, up about 23%. We saw highs here at the beginning of the month here at around 96 cents, pulled back down to about 78, 79, and then, came back up to 120. In the past year, we're literally trading flat now. So if you would have bought a year ago, you would be about flat, down about 2% or so. So we saw the, big dump here in July of 2021 to about $1. Then we saw the all-time highs at over $3, $3.30 or so. And then obviously the pullback down all the way to about the 60 cents range. And now we're seeing a slight recovery here. We're around a resistance area. The next level after this is going to be close to 140, 150 level. So can we get back to those levels? I definitely think so. Cardano is a great coin in my opinion for the long run. 40 billion market cap currently. Volume is down 26% at 1.7 billion. It is ranked the number 5 coin in the top 5, which is even better compared to Avalanche. It was in the top 7. 112-day typical hold time, 69% buy, 31% sell activity. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So Cardano definitely has so much more potential. We have over 200% upside potential just to get back to the all-time high area, which would be around 120 billion market cap. So Cardano saw a big drop right there in the past, let's just say, 5 or 6 months. And, the upside potential is definitely there. So definitely another one to add to your radar, guys. So now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Bitcoin trading flat here, bouncing back and forth up to this 48,000 area, then coming right back down. In the past week, this one's up 12.5%. So we're seeing a little bit of a rally. And then on the 1-month chart, we're up 9%. 1-year chart, we're still down about 19% or so. 900 billion market cap, 34% of crypto market space, 68% buy, 32% sell activity. Volume is flat. It's been trading around the same type of volume in the past few days. And we have 110-day typical hold time. So a lot of the Bitcoin holders are holding their coins and not trading, which is a good sign as well because of supply and demand. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is up 0.5%, trading around this 3,400 area, hit highs of almost 3,500 before pulling back. in the past week, we're up 16%. Past month, 16% as well from lows down here at 2400. But look at this, guys. We broke out through this pattern that we've been trading in, and hopefully it continues to push on higher and higher. 3700 area is the next resistance level that we're going to be passing through. So Ethereum already making this comeback, and we're only about, let's just say, about $1,400 away from that all-time high level again. So it's looking very, very nice. Could we see a similar type move that we saw here in April of 2021? It could definitely be interesting if that was to happen. Ethereum could go up to 6,000 plus in the next few months. So definitely one to keep an eye out on, because once it starts moving, it's fast and you can't miss that train. So 406 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is flat, 81-day typical hold time, 60% buy, 40% sell activity on Ethereum. It's looking very interesting, guys. Could we see a bullish type run here in the next few weeks, the next few months? I believe we could possibly, depending on how the news goes around the world and what type of situations we get into. But it seems like all the negativity is finally starting to get away, and hopefully the positive outcomes are coming out. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think is going to happen in the upcoming months? As always, smash that like button for me. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, make sure to understand what you get into. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.